Hi guys, I hope you're all doing good. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be sharing this very simple makeup look that I do every day. It is not going to be taking beyond 5 minutes. And before hopping onto the makeup, I'll try to explain what are the steps that I do in my skincare in order to have beautiful, clean and clear skin. So without further ado guys, we are quickly going to be diving in. So guys, the first step is going to be cleansing the face, and for this I'll be using 1% kojic acid daily face wash by Dermaco. Now this consists of two active ingredients. One is going to be kojic acid and second one is alpha arbutin. These helps in reducing dark spots in the pigmentation that you have on the face and also helps in making your skin super gentle and very healthy looking. It does not strip out your skin from the essential moisture while helps in cleansing it thoroughly. And if you want, you can find these products on Flipkart, Amazon, Nykaa and Dermaco. I take a bit, apply it all over my face, I massage it for a good 1 to 2 minutes and then I rinse it out. It helps in giving me beautiful, clearer and spotless skin. After that, we are going to be moving on to step 2, and that is going to be using the Dermaco's 2% kojic acid serum, which has power of 2 actives. It has 2% kojic acid and 1% alpha arbutin, which helps in treating the pigmentation you have on the face, helps in treating the dark spots. Kojic acid penetrates deep into the skin, reducing hyperpigmentation, while alpha arbutin helps in controlling the production of melanin, giving you beautiful and even skin tone. Now you need to protect your skin after using these active ingredients on your skin. So I'll be using 1% hyaluronic sunscreen aqua gel by Dermaco. Now this one consists of SPF 50. If you use my code RITU2023, you're gonna get extra 20% off on the official website as well. This has hyaluronic acid and vitamin E, which helps in reducing fine line wrinkles and also helps in reducing sun damage, making your skin soft like butter. Now these products are fragrance free guys, and also every time you buy from Dermaco, they will link your order to a child that they help educate along with Bhumi. So you'll find the links in the description box below. Now when I finally am done with my skincare, I'm going to be moving on to my everyday makeup. For this I will be using a concealer which is going to be a shade lighter than my skin tone. This is what I usually do because it not only helps in concealing the dark spots or the dark circles that I have around my eyes, but it also helps in brightening the skin. I also use a concealing brush and I take a bit of time in blending it out, because the more you blend it out, the more natural it is going to look. So I take 2 to 3 minutes to do it. Also, I'll always make sure that I apply the concealer over my lids as well. So if you do it, you will be seeing that instantly your whole face will be brightened up. I'm not someone who just has dark circles under the eyes. They are going to be bit over the eyes as well. So I take this same blending brush and I try to blend it out. Now I usually do not use a makeup sponge because this just works fine for me. Once I get done with this guys, I take some powder and I try to apply it all over my under eyes especially, so that it does not crease out. A bit of blush guys, I cannot do without blush at all. So I take a bit, apply it on my cheeks. It instantly helps in adding that hue of colors. After that I move on to my lip liner guys. Lip liner just helps in defining your lips so beautifully. Do not ever miss it. It helps in contouring the lips, and then once you apply the lipstick, you guys will be able to see your whole of the face instantly lifting up, your lips looking beautiful and fuller for sure. Also, before doing it, make sure that you apply a bit of moisturizer. This is going to be one of my favorite shade. Any nude shades which works for you, just stick to it. After that, I am going to be taking an eyelash curler. I do this for 20 seconds guys. After that, I coat it up with a bit of mascara. Now my makeup look is done. It is not going to be taking you beyond 5 minutes and your makeup look is done. I absolutely love how it turns out to be. It just looks like your own skin and also helps in uplifting your feature. So guys, this was it for this video. I really hope that you found the video helpful. Please go and check out Dermaco's products links that are gonna be in the description box below and use them. Have beautiful, clean and clear skin. I love the fact that the products are really fragrance free and they are working very nicely for my skin. So yeah, with that we are gonna be wrapping up today's video, and I'll see you guys super soon with another one. Till then, take care. Bye bye. I love you all so much.